we'll guide you through how to create art using Krita, a fantastic open-source painting program. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Krita website. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted by the Krita welcome screen. Go ahead and create a new document by clicking on File in the top menu, then New. Here you can choose the size and resolution of your canvas. For digital painting, a resolution of 300 dpi is usually good. Once you've set your canvas, you'll see the main workspace with various tools on the left and color palettes on the right. Start by selecting a brush from the brush docker. You can find a variety of brushes suited for different styles under the brush presets. Play around with them to see which one fits your style. To adjust the size of your brush, you can use the size slider at the top of the screen or use the bracket keys on your keyboard for quick adjustments. Now, choose a color by clicking on the color selector or use the color wheel for a more visual approach. If you want to draw straight lines, press and hold the Shift key while you draw. For more control over your colors and brushes, explore the advanced color selector and brush settings, which offer detailed options. Layers are essential in digital art, allowing you to work on different elements separately. You can add a new layer by clicking on the New Layer button in the Layers docker. Remember, the more you experiment with these tools, the more comfortable you'll become. Krita also offers a variety of blending modes and layer styles to enhance your artwork. If you make a mistake, simply hit Ctrl+Z to undo it, or use the History docker to go back to previous steps. Once you're satisfied with your artwork, save your project by going to File, and then Save As. Choose the Krita format for editing later, or export it as a JPEG or PNG for sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.